Vitex isn't good for everybody. And in this video, I'm going to break down how Vitex actually influences hormones. The following video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to diagnose or prescribe. Always speak to your personal regulated healthcare practitioner before starting any new supplements or products to make sure that it is safe and right for you. Vitex has to be one of the most popular women's health and fertility herbs out there right now. I have women asking me every day in my DMs if Vitex is right for them, if they should take it, if they should continue. I can't give you medical advice, and without knowing your personal history or your labs, I'm not sure if Vitex is right for you. What I can tell you though is Vitex isn't good for everybody. And in this video, I'm going to break down how Vitex actually influences hormones, because truthfully, this shouldn't be just a blanket women's health herb. It's not going to be effective across the board. We need to use it selectively. Vitex, or also known as chaste tree, it has a reputation for helping with irregular periods. It specifically works in the pituitary to help regulate follicular phase hormones. So I want you to think promotes ovulation. If you're already ovulating regularly, Vitex won't do anything magical for you in that regard, but it also helps to support the health of the corpus luteum. The corpus luteum is the shell of the egg. This is what produces progesterone after ovulation. This is a vital role in cycle health and fertility. Progesterone is the main hormone promoting pregnancy success in that luteal phase. This means that Vitex can help boost the production of progesterone if your body has the right building blocks to do so. I think progesterone support is the main use of Vitex, and it can be very helpful for women in certain situations, but it's not always going to be the be-all end-all of fertility support. The second piece is proper dosing. There are a lot of products out there on the market claiming to be fertility boosters, and they use a combination blend of different nutrients and herbs. Most, if not all, of these products don't come anywhere near therapeutic dosages, meaning they aren't using the proper dosing that is actually found in the research studies to do the things you want it to do and promote the activity of these herbs in your hormones. So what it comes down to is, yes, I do believe Vitex can be supportive for some women on their fertility journey, as long as you're using it at proper therapeutic dosing. If not, you're wasting your money. And then you're also believing that you tried Vitex and it didn't work, which may not have actually been the case at all. The other important piece of note is that any product you start to help with fertility or hormones isn't going to work month 1. It isn't going to work month 2. We're talking about influencing hormones. You need to give your body 3 to 6 months to really see an impact. When it comes to herbs, always work with a licensed practitioner trained in this area so that you know you are getting recommendations that are both right for you, but are also safe, and more importantly, they're effective.